Everybody's peoples. Good day, all. So I was kind of wondering, I was thinking about this whole year with this whole virus craze fanatic thing, and, was wondering, what do we really know about a virus? Like Contagion and The Stand, all these crazy movies. That's all we know about the virus, really. I mean, what's the history of virology? Well, I figured I'd looked into that, and I thought I'd share it with you. Yeah, lucky you. So if we go back to, I don't know, say the 10 plagues of Egypt, a lot of crazy stuff happened there, right? No virus. So it can't be that bad. If we move forward into the Old Testament, when God would punish Israel, he would send the enemies against them, the plagues of sword, famine, pestilence, and death as the punishment. Now, typically the rule of thumb was if some other people, some army come up to your city and you let them in, then you become their vassal or their servant. If you keep them out, they go to war on you, they besiege your city, and when they finally get in, then they typically kill you. So in this case, you would have the food and water would run out. And of course, before you consume your own children, typically you're going to consume your own waste products, which brings us to our first plague, which would be a bacterial plague. I remember last time I actually got sick a couple of years ago. It was in the winter, and I was doing a house that was a modular and did not have running plumbing. So I had a porta potty outside, and the superintendent for the modular company was there doing punch out work, and he used that porta potty, and him and his wife both got sick from some bacterial thing in their food. I forgot where they went to, but now without the clean water, after he used the bathroom, he probably put his hand on the door to go out. Now I got sick, for I must have touched the same spot, and the homeowner actually got sick. The homeowner's wife was smart enough not to use the porta potty, and I couldn't blame her, but for some reason I had to go then, so gotta go. So to me, the greatest medical advancement in human history has pretty much been clean running chlorinated water. I mean, I think it beats far beyond what you can do in a laboratory. The first mention of the word virus was after Dmitry Ivanovsky in 1892. He took the sap from a diseased tobacco plant and poured it through a filter known as the Chamberlain filter, with pores small enough to filter out the bacteria, but not the whole solution. It was Martinus Bergernik who called the filtered substance a virus. In 1917, Felix de Hirelli discovered when he took the filtered substance known as a virus, which he changed to bacteriophage, added it to bacteria on a agar, which is red algae. It produced areas of dead bacteria. So bacteriophages, the viruses infect and replicate in bacteria. Since the ending of this article, this write-up on Wikipedia, since early 1970s, bacteria have continued to develop resistance to antibiotics, which is poisonous mold, and has led to renewed interest in the use of bacteriophages to treat serious infections. So now, does that sound like viruses are bad? I mean, even when Fauci admits the Spanish flu was a bacterial pneumonia, with 95% having been found with bacteria, If there are no isolates, that means they have not taken infectious bacteria and strained it with the Chamberlain filter, and are using the A549 adenovirus cells for the PCR tests, and also misusing the PCR test. So I just thought I'd share that with you, and God bless everybody. Have a good day. See you.